Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing for the advent calendar for the 2019. And I originally was going to put this video at the end of every video for Planmas, but as you guys know, I totally dropped the ball on that one. So I am just decided to do it on one video here for you guys. So it's gonna be a little bit choppy because I did give everybody like a fair warning at the end of every video to exit out of it in case they didn't want to be spoiled for the advent calendar. So it's a little choppy, but I try my best to edit it appropriately. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your feedback, and if you want any of this stuff to come to the shop, I am super excited about it. So if you do, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Start with day number 1. So day number 1 is a tiny kit. So you get the glitter headers, and this kit is called Namaste. It's like a yoga kit, a self-love, self-care, me time type kit. It's so pretty. You get all the sheets in our tiny kit, which is 4, plus the glitter headers. The colors in here are just amazing. I love it so much. And this is definitely more of this stuff to come. So that is day number 1 of the advent calendar. So I'm going to be starting at day number 1, going to day number 12. So if you don't want to see the advent, you guys can exit out right here. But for the people that do want to see, our day 1 advent calendar is a tiny kit. So this kit is called Namaste. You get the glitter headers, and it is a yoga, me time, self-love type kit. It's got gorgeous colors. I love them so much. So there's 4 pages in our tiny kits, and then you get the glitter headers as well. So that is day number 1 of the advent calendar. For day 2, we got a sheet from Busy Lizzie Plans, and it's got a whole bunch of stuff for our theme for the advent calendar, like the bathtub, the plan stickers, all that kind of fun stuff. It's a super cute sheet. And then you also get a bunch of scripts. These are me time scripts in 2 different fonts. So you get like Girls Night, Lazy Day, Pedicure, Read, Face Mask, Audiobook, YouTube Binge, just a bunch of me time scripts. So that's day number 2. Day 3 advent calendar. It is, so we got 2 sheets here. We have foiled date covers, and these are actually in purple foil. See if you can see that at all. Oh yeah, there we go. Purple foil date covers. They are so pretty. I love them so much. And then you get these food icons. So there is no duplicates on here. It's just a ton of different icons for food. A lot of like fast food and junk food, because this is a me time advent calendar. So lots of like craving food, and then a bunch of like bakery stuff. So that's day number 3. For day number 4, we have 2 sheets of Pamper Appointments. So you have 9 different appointments in their different colorway, our pastel colorways. So you have brow appointment, facial, hair appointment, lash appointment, manicure, massage, pedicure, tanning, and wax. So those are super cute, very helpful. So that's day number 4. Okay, so day number 5 of the advent calendar. Today's is a tiny kit. So we have our glitter headers, and then this kit is called Big Plans. It is a planner girl kit, so you have like an office scene, a bunch of stickers on her planner, the nice Ray Dunn mug. I love these mugs. The cute little girl and a planner layout. So cute with the florals. You get all the 4 pages in our tiny kit. This bottom washi is my favorite for sure. I think it's so pretty, and those date headers are so cute. So that is day number 5 of the advent calendar. Day number 6 of the advent calendar. We have a sheet from Planner Monkey and her business card here. So you have some of those mood rocks, some nail polishes, and then her character with like holding a pen and a bathrobe and a planner, some me time scripts, super cute from Planner Monkey. And then you got these bow stickers. These are Kiss Cut bows in the kind of the colorway to match the advent calendar. Super cute deco. So that is day number 6. For day number 7, we have a blank countdown. So this can be used with like different icons, or you can use it in your sidebar, however you like. But I know a lot of times people count down for different things. It could be for you buying your new house. It could be for going on a trip, anything like that. We just want to keep it blank just so you can use it for any time that you want. And then you get full box overlays. So you get 2 with the corners and then 1 at the top. And they have really cute, I don't know if you can see, bows and stars in there. And it's in purple foil. See if you can see that. So cute. I love it. So that is day number 7. Okay, so today, day number 8 is probably my favorite day. It is nice and big, and we have this sticker book. So this is a reusable sticker book. It has the front and then the back. And then inside here, you can put your stickers. So example, like if you had stickers from samplers that you wanted to put in here, they are double-sided. And you got 20 pages of blank sticker paper, and then the cover. It's all bounded for you. So that is day number 8. Today is day number 9. So you get some Prairie Girls. These are a bunch of different like me time and like personal characters. So we have like working ones, reading, planning, me time ones like in the bathtub, happy meal ones, getting ready, coffee ones, planning time, just a bunch of different ones in different skin tones and hair colors just to make it more universal for everybody. And also we got this super cute felt bow clip, and it's just a bow in this really cute pink color, and it's got the gold hardware. So that is day number 9. Today's day number 10. We have this crafting sheet. So you get a bunch of different like crafting icons like the scissors, the glue and the paper, the sewing machine, the paintbrushes, and then you also get some planners and some washi tape stacks. And then we have like our colors for the advent calendar plus some other colors that I carry in my shop. Same for the planners as well. And then you get this super huge sheet from Be Happy Plans. It's so cute. Again, all in the theme of the same advent calendar. I love it. So many cute things on there. So that is from Be Happy Plans, and that is day number 10. Day number 11 of the advent calendar. We are almost done, you guys. This has been so much fun. I hope that you guys have enjoyed opening up all of these days as much as I have. For day number 11, we have bow foil header overlay. So this is again in that purple foil, and it's got little bows and little stars. You get 4 different headers there. And then we got some more scripts. So we have planner time words like plan next week, $2 Tuesday, plan, film, Instagram photos, washi Wednesday, buy all the stickers, planning session, just a bunch of words you would use for planning. So that is day number 11 for the advent calendar. Day number 12. This is the last day of our advent calendar. Oh wow, this has been such an awesome journey. I hope you guys really enjoyed this advent calendar. There was a lot of love and a lot of work that went into making these, and I just appreciate all the people that supported my shop into purchasing these. I hope to make it even bigger and better next year for you guys, so I hope that you loved what was inside here. I would love to hear your feedback on Etsy, on the comments down here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. But for day number 12, if you want to see it, is a tiny kit. So we have our glitter headers here. This kit is called Self Love, and it is a lot of just, honestly, just like totally my style. So you got the planner girl, you got notes in her cell phone, lots of planner stuff and coffee, and like juice and donuts and music and like glasses. It's so cute. Lots of flat lays, and I love it. And then the colors in here are so cute. And I really tried to make all these kits work for any time of the year. So you could use this for spring, you could use this for summer, fall, you could use it for any time. All of these kits in the advent calendar, that's what it was intended for. So that you didn't just get Christmas stuff and you got it on Christmas, because everybody's spreads are already done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was day number 12 of the advent calendar, and I hope we can do it again next year. Bye guys!